This guided meditation will help you feel grounded in your body, mind, and spirit, promoting a sense of balance, calm, and a peaceful connection with the world around you. Begin by relaxing into the space you're in. Take a deep inhale, and as you exhale, settle into this present moment. Start by bringing your awareness to your physical body. Feel the weight of your body on the surface beneath you. Now begin to scan your body from head to toe. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort. And as you are scanning, inhale and begin to visualize a healing energy flowing into the areas of tension or discomfort. And as you exhale, release the tension and the discomfort. Continue this at your own pace for a few moments. With each inhale and exhale, allow your body to relax even deeper, letting go of any stress and tension that you may be holding on to. Allow yourself to feel the sensation of relaxation spreading through your body like a warm, soothing wave. Begin to shift your focus to your mind, acknowledging any thoughts or worries that may be present in your mind. And instead of trying to push them away, just simply observe them without judgment. Imagining your thoughts as passing clouds in the sky. Watch them drift by and then gently let them go. Continue to bring your attention back to your breath, using your breath as an anchor for your awareness. Repeat this calming mantra. I am grounded and at peace. Continue to repeat that to yourself and feel the truth of these words resonating within you. I am grounded and at peace. Now connect with your spiritual essence, visualizing a bright light at the center of your being, radiating love and tranquility. Feel this light expanding, filling your entire body with warmth and positivity. Sense it extending beyond your physical form, connecting you to the greater energy of the universe. Spend a few moments in this state of spiritual connection, connecting to the sense of oneness and the peace that it brings you. Take a deep inhale, gradually bringing your awareness back to this present moment. Feeling grounded in body, mind, and spirit. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Repeat this affirmation anytime you feel the need to connect and feel grounded with your body, your mind, and your spirit.